Today we going see how picture lookup work. For this, we already had our sample file, and when we select name from drop-down, picture will be pulled from pre-filled data. You can see the picture get changed as per name. Whenever we change name from drop-down, then next column picture also get changed as per the matched and original data. Now let's start with tutorial. Before we move on to lookup formula, we'll first learn how to create drop-down list for team name through data validation. We have already created list of names with logo. Make sure the picture is fit perfectly in box next to name. Now we'll create drop-down list of name in designated box. To do so, we need to go to Data tab, then click Data Validation, and again Data Validation. A new dialog box will pop up. Select List from drop-down and under Source. You need to feed range of names. You just need to click and select to last name. Just hit OK and it's done. Your drop-down list is been created. You can see the name has been pulled under list. Now, let's create picture lookup under opposite column. And to do so you need to copy the logo column. Make sure you copy column and not picture. Once you copied, come to designated column and by right-click on mouse, click Paste Special. And, under that you have to select linked picture. Please note, this is most important part you have to do, Paste Special, and, not direct paste. You can see still your picture change is not working even if we change the name. Hence to do so we have to create a new formula. And to create formula and assigned it to our picture, go to Formulas and hit Name Manager. You can see we already had our formula created. So we'll delete that and then we'll write new one. To do so, click New and name your formula. We named it as logo. You can name anything as per your choice. And now we'll delete the pre-written and we'll write our own. You can check description section for formula and change it as per your column range. You can see the formula on your screen too. Once your formula is written, you can hit OK. Now you can see your named formula is been created. You just have to cross-check it, and once you satisfied, close the dialog box. Now we are at final stage. You can see picture still not changed with name. And it's because we have not named the cell with what we created. So now we'll rename it with the one we created. That is our new formula name. And once you're done with edit, nothing more we have to do now. Your picture lookup completed and now it's working fine. Let's do some testing. Yes, it's working perfectly.